Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos from Instagram. The first method, go to recently deleted. To recover your deleted Instagram content, let's start with the first step, accessing the recently deleted section. It's where Instagram keeps your deleted photos and videos for a little time. You can either bring them back or delete them forever from here. Now, let's take a closer look at how to do this step and get back your photos. Click your IG profile and tap on the three-line icon in the top right corner and pick your activity. Now, choose Recently Deleted. And remember that you might not see this if you haven't recently deleted any picture or videos. Access the photos or videos you want to recover and tap on More at the top right and click Store or Restore to Profile to bring back the content or delete to get rid of it forever. Method 2. Check your Instagram pics from Android File Manager. Check your Android phone's gallery instead of looking up how to recover deleted Instagram photos online. When you upload a picture to Instagram from Android, it makes a copy in your gallery's Instagram folder. Your Photos app has different albums, and the Instagram folder keeps a backup of your photos. If you lost Instagram pics on an Android device, you might recover them using the File Manager. Open My Files and go to Pictures and look for Instagram folder and choose it. If you find the lost pictures, select and restore them. Method 3. Use Instagram Archive. Instagram's archive feature lets you hide certain photos, videos, or reels, so only you can see them. Your phone's storage might hide your Instagram post, but you can get it back from the archive on Instagram. First, open Instagram and tap your profile picture. Tap the menu icon, then choose Archive. Now, find the pictures, videos, stories, or reels you hid in Archive. Press the three dots to choose Show on Profile to return them to your feed. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.